I don't care. It's all good. Hey guys, what's up? Matt Muck here from All Mucked Up Garage. We got a 440 here. Fuel injection, Edelbrock Pro Flow XT. Solid setup with a 727 at the back. Going to a doubler. We'll check that out in a few. Alright, we got her up on the lift now. We're going over it, cleaning up the chassis. Getting everything ready for paint or any repairs that we might need to do. Cleaning up the firewall. We're going to get that thing painted up and looking good. We also made a bunch of repairs through the body, cab, and the back, flooring. Check it out. Alright, we got everything patched up. First coat of paint on the back. We're going to add another coat. It's pour 15, basically an undercoat. Should look really good when it's complete. We got Miss Rachel here in the house, and let's see what she thinks of this whole gig here. Dang. I think she's pissed. We got the front all patched up. Now we're starting to work on the tunnel here for the doghouse and start mounting all our linkage and levers inside here. Gonna replace these fenders. Now it's time to sink this engine and transmission in there and start getting our drive line figured out. A little dry fit, you know what I mean? We'll always figure it out, man. We'll always figure it out, Chad. Looks good in the hood. No pun intended. That's why this is your nice matte black, bruh. How we looking?
Yes, set this one how far off are you?
Oof. I thought that was what you wanted. Right? Here, lower back down maybe and see if it goes even more into place. .4. And what's this say again? 0.8.
Close.
Sadie's working.
Or are they there?
We get out of the way. Here we go.
That's it.
Like a glove.
Oh, dry shot's been good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you like that?
You like that? Do ya? Huh?
Now we got
Oh,
the motor, trans, and first
Nice,
transfer
right?
case in. The
like
plate
it?
mounted. And now we're gonna set in place
We got Happy Rachel today, guys.
the next transfer case.
Enjoy.
Then we could start plumbing out all our
What's that? Spidey.
No.
like
It's on you.
linkage and all the way the
Gosh
mounts
darn it,
go and all
dude.
that stuff.
These things
So-
bite me all the time and make me freaking spaz out. Everyone thinks I'm gonna freaking go into convulses. Nice and snug. Oh, this is a unit. This thing's gonna have more shifters than an old locomotive. Pull this and pull that. Heat doggy. What are they jammed up under here? Oh man. Yo, this is a vintage wagon we got here. What a hauler. Give you a quick little lowdown. You can see we all right, we got the 727 in Patched up
here.
all the
Moved up the
necessary
cross member.
areas
We
that
got
were
the
totally
203 in
rotted out.
place. We got the adapter mount
They're solid
on.
again.
And now we got the 205 mounted up.
Made a few patches. One up in there.
Nice drive line in here. Everything's looking good.
Let's see. This. A nice drive line laid out. Start figuring out drive shafts and linkage and all that good stuff.
We're doing upgrade. We're trying to do 1410, correct?
Yeah.